It is not just the time for forgiveness. It is not the time for words. It is the time for work. I'm asking my Lord to not lose this opportunity. One time they blew up my church. One time they attacked me. I was during the mass by five missiles. One time I got shock in my leg. Still the bullets in my leg, the left. And I've been kidnapped for 9 days. And almost they broke my teeth, my nose. And they use all that by Allah name. I have to forgive them. Not because I have, because it's order. But we have to forgive, because to let the grace transfer from generation to generation. If not, that means the pain and the hate will close the way to the grace of God. So still in this country, as a Christian, we still like salt and light. Doesn't matter what happened to me or to my people in my generation. But we have to take care about kids. They are the future. If we will not take care about kids, our kids now, the next generation of ISIS, they will be from our side.
مگو کل مالکش و فلک یا گویک دیا کتن نکر. مادیتن بلوریان بارکر.
We've heard stories here of just horrific stories of one little boy that, his whole family was shot, except him. And kids showing up in bare feet. And just one young girl here today that lost her whole family. So at this time, we really need to absolutely show that God is a God of love.
We're living a difficult time, you know, and now we are in winter with running and cold. Many people still now is in the tents. But we thank God for many Christian to coming and help us, like you, Samaritan groups with blanket and heaters and jacket. With your support, we can going on.
So each jacket we're fitting to these children to be as snug and warm as possible. Hundreds of these children have the clothes on their back and they're not ready for this harsh winter. So like this little man right now, be able to get his own jacket. One that'll fit him. One that'll fit him perfectly. You like a jacket? Yeah. Yeah, put your... And the children that are big, we're making them big so they can wear coats underneath it as the only clothes they have. Can you get back there?
You know, everyone we come across has a story. Their homes are gone. Their history, their lives, their tradition are gone. And so we don't run away from this trouble. We go to it and we bring the love of Christ to people, meeting their physical needs, meeting their spiritual needs, and say like, you know, here, we as the church are standing with you and we're able to help your people.
I believe that one day, the next generation, they will forget who persecute us, but we never forget the people who stand and help us. They say, Father, what do you need? I say, generator. And just like this, generator was here. I said, okay, why I didn't ask another thing? Let's see just behind me, the new tents there. That one is held for 4 years. It's very strong. It's very expensive. That's by Samaritan Paris. And each one there is 2 families. You know, the minimum of what we are doing here is the minimum of our duty. We are not doing that as a favor to the people, because as a Christian, this is our job. We are proud because we are Iraqi people. But Iraq is not proud because we are part of it. We are dying here. Save my people. That's all.